Here is a very simple protein iced coffee recipe that I've been using recently, especially after my twins were born, in order to wake up, get in some initial calories, and start my day with a decent amount of protein. Now, in order to complete this, you will need the following items. First off, I am using a Keurig that uses K-cups in order to create the coffee. Please note, I'm not a big coffee drinker. I'm actually only doing this because I can withstand the taste of this with the protein itself, but do know I don't normally drink coffee on its own. Next, you will need the K-cups themselves, and the one I am personally using and like the most for this recipe is the one called the Original Donut Shop Coffee. Next, you will need protein powder. I bought mine straight from Costco in a giant bag, and the one I am using in the recipe is the Kirkland Creamy Chocolate Whey Protein Concentrate. You will also need to make sure that you have a protein shaker in order to mix the protein and iced coffee together for the final product. Next, please make sure you have a cup that can hold at least 16 ounces of water in order to make the coffee. And to finish up, you will also need to make sure you have access to water as well as ice. Once you have all the items, here are the steps in order to make the protein iced coffee. First off, turn on the Keurig and make sure you filled it with enough water to make enough coffee. From there, I recommend filling that 16-ounce cup all the way to the top with ice, and once you've done that, put it in the receiver. Next, take your K-cup and put it in the K-cup section, clamp it down, and then turn on or press the ice option on your Keurig. Now mine has this. If yours doesn't, you probably will just make regular coffee and let the ice in the cup cool it down. Now once the Keurig is complete with the coffee and is in the iced cup, transfer that cup with the ice into your protein shaker. From there, take a scoop of the protein powder and put it in with the shaker and the coffee. Screw on the lid to the shaker and shake it up until you have both the protein powder and the iced coffee mixed together. And from there, pour into your favorite mug or cup and drink as you'd like to. So that is the entire creation of the protein iced coffee. Pretty easy to do. And again, you get in a decent amount of protein and calories to start your day. Here are the macro breakdowns. This comes out to 136 calories with 26 grams of protein if you followed everything I did in the setup and used these same ingredients as well. Now do know I did weigh out the protein powder in the little scoop that they give you. On the serving size from the package, it says that serving is 35 grams. I actually weighed it in at 36, so it is pretty close, so it doesn't really matter. But with the additional calories in protein from the K-cup, it went up 1 gram of protein from the packaging. So again, you get that 26 grams of protein. But in the end, that is all that you will need. And this is a very, very simple creation. So again, I like to make this now that I have my twins as just a very easy way to get in something in the morning in order to, one, wake me up as well as start my day with some protein. Otherwise, I may not get enough throughout the rest of the day. But if you have your own favorite recipe, feel free to leave it in the comment section below.